Hey there, and welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to make an Instagram account from scratch, but specifically an Instagram business account. So of course, if we're making an account from scratch, we're definitely going to start from the very beginning, which is the Instagram homepage. The main difference between a personal Instagram account and a business Instagram account is access to certain Instagram business features and metrics. But when creating an account on Instagram, it's all the same for a personal or business account. It all starts by clicking up the sign up button on the Instagram homepage. Now, after clicking sign up, go ahead and input all your important details that Instagram will ask for when creating a brand new account. Once you're happy with all the details that you've inputted, make sure that they're all valid by the way, go ahead and click sign up. Alright, now that you've signed up with a brand new, absolutely fresh Instagram account, we're going to have to customize it in order to turn it from this blank slate into a fully fledged Instagram business account. So, to start things off, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Profile, and then click on Edit Profile. From this profile settings, we have everything we need in order to edit everything on our profile, from our website, our bio, our gender, etc. So, of course, first things first, we need to make sure that we have a proper profile photo, or else no one will ever take our Instagram account seriously. And of course, since we are making an Instagram business account, of course for our bio, let's add our business name, Sunhooney Prints, and a quick tagline, your one-stop destination for personalized apparel and creative designs. Also, one thing to note before you click save, make sure you tick that checkbox that says choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile, and whether this account can be suggested on other profiles. Now, go ahead and save all our edits and changes, and click on Profile on the left-hand side, and look at that! Our Instagram profile is going from a completely blank slate into something that looks a lot more interesting and reputable. Alright, so what is an Instagram account without any posts, right? So let's go ahead and click on the Create button on the left-hand side to create our very first post. Just keep following along if you wish to follow this guide to the exact T. Make sure to add your own original and captivating caption, and double-check the accessibility and advanced settings to make sure that this post is a public one. Now, once you're happy with all the changes for our first post, go ahead and click on Share. Then let's refresh our Instagram page in order to see our very first post for our business account. Now that we have a post, a bio, and a proper picture for our profile, let's now turn this personal Instagram account into a professional business account. In order to do this, go ahead and go to your profile page, click on Edit Profile, and on the menu, scroll down until you see the blue button that says Switch to a professional account. Now, Instagram offers two kinds of accounts for creators and businesses. Of course, since this is a business account that we're making, choose business instead of creator. After choosing our business account, Instagram lets us customize and personalize our account further by letting us select a category. Of course, as a business account that's focusing on prints, we're going to choose shopping and retail as our primary category. Now, as a professional account, we can't just let people message us through Instagram itself, so let's add in our email and phone number so that we have a public way for people to access our information. Once you have all of that set up, click Save, Done, and congratulations, you have now turned our basic Instagram account into a professional business account. Now, if we go back to our profile and click on Edit Profile again, underneath the first tab of Edit Profile, you'll see we have a new menu option that says Professional Account. By clicking on this menu option, we can display the email of our business account, its phone number, and even specify how we as a business would prefer to be reached, either by call or by text. While on this page, I would recommend to check the Display Category Label checkbox and also check the Display Contact Info checkbox before clicking Submit. Now, underneath Professional Account, after submitting the info we wish to input, now we can choose to switch to a Business Account. This will identify our Instagram account as not only a professional one, but also a professional business retailer account. Now, as a business account, of course, we can also put in our address details for our business. For now, we can just select Manila, Philippines as our business address, but also double check your Display Contact Info checkbox and make sure that's ticked before clicking on Submit yet again. Now, let's slowly go through all the different options in the settings page that we can change for our professional business account. Firstly, we can go through the applications and websites that are linked to this professional business account. Then we can also look at our email notifications to see how our email notifications will go as a business account on Instagram. Then we have the all-important push notifications. Generally speaking, there are only a certain number of settings that I wish to enable on push notifications, and those are usually reserved for the most important notifications that need immediate attention. Then you also have the options to see what you can see as a professional business account, and very important, just double check to see who can see your content. As a professional retailing business Instagram account, we need to make sure that we are a public account and not a private one. Now, you can feel free to go back and check all of these settings again later, but for now, I think we should be good. Now, the next thing I want to highlight on your professional Instagram account is on the left-hand side, you can view all the messages that you've sent and received. There are 3 tabs, mainly Primary, General, and Requests, and this is where you'll see all the inquiries that people will have for your professional business account. One thing to note about message requests is that people will not be notified whether you viewed a requested message they've sent to you. You also have the option to hide certain message requests that you may deem to be offensive or unwanted. And just to make sure we go through all the options on the left-hand side, there are the Reels that you can view on Instagram, the Explore page where you can discover other Instagram accounts which are catered towards your likes and dislikes, and of course the search bar where you can search freely for other Instagram accounts. And there you go, that really is all there is to making a Instagram professional business account in 2023. It really is as simple as that, and we really hope that we've helped you in your process to making your business a viable one on Instagram. So for now, thanks so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one.